Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to insert current date and time in Google Sheets. Okay, so let's get started. Let's try to open the Google Sheet. Okay, so here I have opened the blank spreadsheet. Okay, and here suppose if you want to insert the current date. Okay, so today's date is 20th of November 2024. Okay, and suppose if you want to insert today's date or the current date, means for that what you can do is like you can use the keyboard shortcut control semicolon. Okay, so once you press control semicolon, it will automatically insert the current date or the today's date. Similarly, if you want to insert the current time or the present time, means for that what you can do is like you can press control shift and semicolon. Okay, so now the time is morning 7:01 and the 18 seconds. So this is how you can insert current date and time using the keyboard shortcut in Google Sheets. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.